Hey guys, so in this video we're going to learn about the grid method or graph method. Before we need to know why we use grid method. Number one, you can draw same as your reference, which enable you to draw more accurate. Number two, you can change the size of your workpiece by changing the ratio of the grid size, so you can draw as big as you want or as small as you want according to your reference. Number three, it also helps in freehand drawing. It improves your freehand drawing. So let's get to it. Let's start this video.
Songwriter Vault.
Try to make grids in square only. Rectangle grid would cause complexity. And also try to measure your sheet in whole number but not in decimal to have less complexity. For my reference, I'm taking difference of 2. Also measure your sheet from the shortest side, not the longest, before you mark the grids. Like I mark dots in horizontal and follow them to draw vertical lines. Repeat the same in vertical now with the same difference.
Songwriter Vault.
Mark the names of rows and columns, like I named horizontal ones as alphabets and vertical ones as my numbers. So now it's upon you what size you want to draw, bigger than the reference or smaller. For this tutorial base, I'm using the same size and I'm gonna draw the same grid size on my sheet as well. Number and alphabet is like I want to draw the eyes, so I can locate at which block it lies and then track the same block on my sheet. Initially, if you're finding the problem to draw, you can reduce the size of the block to locate the exact position of the thing you want to draw by marking crosses and then draw the same on your sheet. It's kind of lengthy method, but in the end result matters. Just work with patience with this. Don't need to be rush up.
Songwriter Vault. Songwriter Vault.
You can use Mono Zero Eraser to erase your mistakes.
Songwriter Vault.
Now when you are done with your drawing, you can erase the blocks.
Songwriter Vault.
Hope this video will help you out to draw your portraits or your objects. And let me know what you think about it. Till then, stay creative, do creations, and this is Artist Chris. Goodbye.